Just Jesus wrote first and second Samuel, first and second Kings, first and second Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Ecclesiastes, Psalms, Psalms, Isaiah, Nehemiah, Lamentations, Hosea, Joel, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi.
न्यू टेस्टमेंट मैथ्यू,
Acts 1, Luke, John, Acts 2, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1 and 2 Thessalonians, 1 and 2 Thessalonians, Philippians,
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड टिमोथी,
1 and 2 Timothy,
टाइटस,
Titus, Philemon, Hebrew, Jeff, 1 and 2 Samuel, 1
पीटर,
and 2
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पीटर,
1 and 2 Peter,
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड थर्ड जॉन,
1 and 2 Third Luke,
जूड,
Jude, Luke,
जूड
Jude, Revelation.